Hey guys, it's Kaif Jawad and welcome to my new video. Today is day 205 to 217 in 14 in Lok 5 journey, and I hope you are doing well. So just now it's lunchtime and I just took a bath and I just came out from my exam and just take a bath. So now I will dress up. So 1 minute. So I just wear my t-shirt. Now I will the pants. I think should wear this. So I will wear this pant. It's a striped pant. So I will like to wear it for like everyday use. And so yeah, wait. So basically 21 days challenge is completed, and in this 21 days I have relapsed for like, and you can see that it's relapse state in this month 1 2 3 3 4 times. Okay, so today I relapsed again, but today this month it's too low. So by the way, it's happening on 5 1 0 0 0 0 1. I mean that there is 4 days gap between doing it. So basically it's the calendar. It is the calendar. I use it, and this relapse not just doing by a certain event environment, but also it's going by the some words, some peoples, or some kind of weather that attracts you or do these things. So it's all connected to environment and all connected by your routine. So it's also happening to me. That's why I'm telling you, because we are relatively doing the same thing. So we need, and also we are doing the same thing because we are stopping that. We are saving our, we need to save ourselves from that. And this thing you saw here, see 8 1 13, no 13 not 10, it's one day 15, and today's date. So in this 21 days of journey I have consistently doing workout and also doing my best to do. And also there is some monthly goals, but it's not fully light up, so we can show you that. And the main thing here is, let's go to the up. I will go now in front, like in my roof, and let's have some talk, and then I will come back and eat my food. So it's my bag. So basically the main thing I will say that I'm saving some money to hold some crypto like XRP or Tether, this kind of sunny day, beautiful. So I will hold some crypto coins or this kind of stuff. You can see that beautiful tree. So I need to hold some crypto like XRP Theta. I will like to buy 5 Theta and 5 XRP. Mm. 5 Theta and 5 XRP. See that sitting there. have some pot and pans, my tea. So I would like to buy some XRP and Ether coin, and my main goal is to hold them and then sell them. But now I need to make some profit, need to make some money, but I need to hold some crypto. That's why I'm saving some money, like saving 1 cent per day or 5 cent per day, so that I can save like minimum amount of $20. Just kind of this. And also saving it will be much hard, but I'm saving this money from my uh, tiffin money, and that's it. So now I would like to not spend on bad things or in these expenses, bad expenses that will cost me, but I would like to invest in something like crypto. So I have Binance, and I would like to buy them. When I will buy them, I would like to record it and do it. So 21 days is challenge is gone. Something, some improvement in my body, in my mind, like meditation every day, affirmation every day, mindly full. And my relapsed days has some gap, so this is also good. I hope that it will go on forever, and hope that you also, for you it also go forever. So that's it. I would like to say that if my voice is not clear, please comment down, and I would like to raise my sound as well as speaking, that I'm also improving my communication skill. So that's my office room, but it's not now because I just do like this, like here I study. And beautiful day. That's it. Today was a good day. Exam was good. Life is good, and we will win one day. We'll achieve our freedom. We'll achieve everything that we want. We'll build our empire. We'll build our business. Everything at the end, I can, I will, and I do.